British scientists grew human red blood cells in a lab, for the first time, and conducted a clinical trial, to give them to patients. The blood is grown by encouraging stem cells in a blood donor's sample, to become new red blood cells. In the new trial, tiny spoonfuls of lab-grown blood, containing radioactive particles, were given to 10 healthy patients. The particles will help them track how long the blood remains in the patient's bloodstream. A red blood cell typically lasts 120 days, after which the body replaces them. With lab-grown blood, however, it could be possible for smaller and less frequent transplants to be undertaken. While British hospitals will still rely on blood donations for most blood transfusions, lab-grown blood opens the door to transfusion treatments for those with ultra-rare blood types. Are you excited about this development? Let us know your thoughts.